Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
This bitch sound good. My son, he got ran out the city. I bet he can't cause that nigga struggling, he can't keep up with me. He fell off, now he's a bum. All my life he can't show fit, you don't got a car. Go ahead and pay for a living and wait on the curb. He ain't as scared, but that nigga be lying. He was on the chain and I know that hurt. These X on dollars piss me off.
Him decided he wanted to risk his life today.
Oh, they cutting up.
Alright, man, so y'all can see, man, finna do a little washing in real quick, wash the rims and then go flick up and all that.
Could this possibly be for the headlights? That shit coming on though.
You got your car in the accessory mode?
Nah.
Really, nigga? But you'll see the boards though, bro. Them ain't no boards in though, bro.
This man just be game, bro. But this is for the headlights, bro.
1 hour later.
Yeah, ain't gonna be
ain't
kicking.
turning on right now.
Get some help.
Alright, man, so we finna slide out, go ahead and do a little starter down the line.
Who going first?
You did it, for real.
Yeah, look bye-bye here, man. Yeah.
All you need is side by the flow. You don't need to start it. Put it in neutral. YouTube, bro. Rob nigga that help me till the pocket stays there. Bitch, so bad I took 2 minutes. I can't even get a sweat on. Don't fear is gone. Tell them baby, I probably said the couple
That boy get your ass on down. So let me damn wheel cleaner, man. See what this shit do? I ain't gonna expose the shit. I use it unless they pay me.
Shut your lame ass up.
Look at this shit, y'all. Shit work miracles.
Nigga wanna wipe my top?
Motherfucker got a dirty ass hood, man. Where they at?
They all right here.
Damn.
I can pour water on you in here, man.
Nah, it shouldn't do shit that I know of. Man, so we finna head to the tire shop. Had switch up the POV for a little POV drive, man. Y'all see it's a car up there holding us. And raving that I had. Shit. So I'm finna see how much some 275s is, and if he trade them in.
If I can trade all 4 of these, can I get you that 275 or some on top of it? You got 275?
What the fuck, man?
He just had to order them.
Damn. Hey. Nah, it's they don't even probably order.
You goddamn right, brother.
That be bullshitting about the heels, bro. I can't make them bitches for real. Bro, I told you that shit illegal. Everybody ain't gonna do it, bro.
You got 5 inch tips in?
I ain't gonna prison nobody.
You got the fridge about that? You got 5 inch tips in?
What do you mean by that?
Oh shit, not good.
Bro, yo ass a terrible line leader, fam. Boy, boy.
Your ass just be getting caught in lights and shit.
Cuz, bro, they cut your ass, bro.
Your ass shit,
me get my shit blasted the most.
They call me a terrible line leader. Nigga, this ain't kindergarten. Hey, get what I just learned about that bitch though. Get what I just learned about that bitch. That bitch go way faster, man.
Man, shut your.
Bro, slant that bit on in there, bro.
Come on, bro, do it.
I ain't got no key, bro.
Yo, I got me a motherfucker. Yo, I got me a child. What that shit called? What them motherfuckers be getting caught with them kids?
I don't know what you
Motherfucker got me at a, what that shit called, Jay? A child trafficking?
Yeah, that's what's up.
Oh. Yeah, I be getting some cheeks out here though sometimes.
Some cheese?
Yeah.
On my mama. I ain't even think about it like that. You a freak ass.
Don't throw the spot now.
Oh, nah.
So man, we just tried to go to another flick spot and that spot was, the gate was locked on it, so man, we finna just go somewhere else or something. Man, we done lost somebody in line, man. I told y'all, he's a terrible line leader, bro. Bro, y'all had a terrible line leader, bro.
Oh, bro.
How you losing, man, bro?
He was the one let me over, so I had to push that bitch to get over. I'm thinking Jalen don't fucking do what I do. His ass gonna keep going. I gave his ass no room.
Damn. I'll burn out right now, that bitch.
Stop the cap.
You sure damn right I will. What happened, bro?
The truck, I couldn't fit.
Oh, brother. Whoa, now.
And decided he wanted to risk his life today. Shit, I was on that type of time.
I thought that couldn't up.
Shit, I couldn't fit, fam. I couldn't get up in that bit.
You got too much dip on your chip.
Shit, I bet that bitch, bro. It was a Buick they cut me off, bro.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
Green Buick, bro.
He was pushing that bitch. He swerved right by. I was like, damn.
Oh God, I'm like, damn, it's that chopping traffic, ain't it? Come on, right on up. Yeah, go lock in. Which way you recording?
Bruh.
Alright, look at that beautiful ass lightning we done found, man. That shit looks so good.
He's
I don't know.
Spotlight. I need him to move, bro. I'm gonna let him.
But there ain't no excuse, bro. His ass talking about now, bro. His ass talking about your damn TikTok, bro. Posted that little one video and called that shit a day.
I'm waiting for my personals off your shit, bro.
Baby shot, you gonna drive that bitch. Go put that bitch back to drive. Don't drive that bitch, bro. Y'all be big in the drive shit, bro. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, bro. Here, bro. Yeah. Put it back there, bro. You know you want to, bro. Stop, bro. Bro, yeah, know you want to, bro. Start acting scared, bro. I want to hear my shit, bro. I want to hear my shit from the outside, bro. Just park that bitch in line, bro. Bro, you know you happy, bro. Dude, do what you finna be in soon, bro. A little faster, though, bro. So you ought to get the feeling of it.
But I'm scared like that, bro. I was just
Hey, bro, you ain't gotta crash out on it, no.
What?
Bro, calm down, fam.
Bro, we can get like that, bro. Nigga stayed in that cell for 15 minutes.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I was in jail, nigga. Jumpsuit all got fingerprinted, nigga. And they handed me a tray.
Nigga sent me a video in that bitch like a light skin. Like he having fun. That nigga ain't learned his lesson.
Please, nigga. Say please, nigga. Say please, nigga.
Hey, sorry. Could you move your vehicle?
If I sweat cheese on disobedient ass.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I can.
Oh, that bushing though, goddamn. Get the line moving though. Yeah. Shit.
Damn, turn you on.
Finish the back though.
Hell yeah.
Finish the back though.
I need shot pay my shit.
Finish the back though. Finish the back.
You ain't gave me no day. You ain't gave me no day.
Tomorrow.
Harder than a thing, y'all.
I left his ass the other day, y'all.
Really, nigga?
That's funny. That bitch sound good. Hey, listen, y'all. Go subscribe to my YouTube. Once you take a bound, man, we got big content for y'all.
Hey, yo.
Hey, vlog. You on YouTube with it.
Yeah.
We never had YouTube where we came from. We never had no YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We never had no YouTube. Hey, Hey, y'all fuck with me though. I got some real content on the way. We got challenger, whatever y'all need. No cap. Get in with me.
Yeah. Dude, get in right there. Or your ass could've just backed in, bro.
For real. If I do this shit.
Oh, scared, boy. Oh, boy.
Hey, take some more right here though.
Ooh, bet. That shit on my front bumper, bro. I just ran over a dead animal, y'all. What?
But I walk past that bitch stank, man.
Oh, God.
You don't smell that shit?
Ooh.
Ooh, you better hope that bitch ain't on your damn car.
Look on there for me, shot. Look on there for me.
I'm scared.
Look. Oh, bro, get on there, bro. I got your light.
That shit stink, boy.
Look for me, bro.
Yeah.
That shit stink, boy. Please, that shit ain't on there, is it?
I don't see, man. Ass on that bitch. Why that bitch keep going on?
So I got a shitty egg.
Why that bitch just why that bitch? Hell nah, man. That nigga left his ass on that bitch. Hell.
Man, I gotta get that bitch to the crib, man.
Dead, boy. That nigga dead. Get down, man. For real, boy. That shit just, oh, shit.
God dang, boy. Oh, yeah, get me right, boy. Spraying that bitch.
Trading that bitch up, trading that bitch.
Oh, yeah. That's very relaxing right there. Now I got down, hit the bumper there.
That's all y'all need, man. Bath and Body Works, dollar store, Walmart type shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Go get a job done every time.
Yeah.
Every time. Just hit the outside of your car.
Yeah, that's what I need that for the whole. Yeah.
It might not do nothing, but it gonna shit.
Yeah, shit. Yeah.
2 days earlier.
Hop into the mods that I'm finna do for right now. So the mod that I'm finna do for right now is these back lights right here to go on my tail lights. I mean my tag light, and this light right here. I mean, this is not a light. This spoiler though. This a roof spoiler, by the way. This roof spoiler is gonna go right here. That being said, man, like I said, it's late. I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I don't got that much energy. I'm just gonna put this on right here, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what else mods we got and all that in like 2 more days, because that's when I'm just come back to working on the car. But for right now, man, let's go ahead and put this on. Man, I'm finna give y'all an unboxing of this. This one look clean, not gonna lie. So man, here you go, man. Just a little test fit. It's not on. Doesn't look good as I thought it was. I guess when that's on, it'll probably look better. But let's actually put it on. Install is pretty simple. It's just double-sided 3M tape. So what I'm gonna do is just take off. It'll be 10 times easier with the second person. Now let's go to the other side to make sure it's lined up. Everything is lined up pretty nice. So you just put your pressure down on it to make sure you get that tape laid down. It's actually a W, man. It looks cool when it's installed. So as y'all can see, man, here go from a little distance. Don't mind the wind. It's very windy out here. Just got done rain. But here you go, man. From the distance, you can see it's pretty smooth from a distance and all that. It looks pretty nice. So not too bad of a little mod, man. Now let's move on to the back LED lights for the tag, man. So man, here goes how the tag light look. As you can see, you got a screwed in that goes for the screw in right there. Just plug that in. The screws is under here, man. So we're gonna unscrew that so we can get up in there. If you don't know how to get some screws out, you need help then, bro, because I'm not finna show y'all me unscrewing this out. So yeah, you just need help if you don't know how to do this part. Alright, so boom, man. As y'all can see, it's unscrewed. Now once you get it unscrewed, you just simply bring the light out through there. Simple as that, just like that. Now, what you want to do next is just simply take the bulb out. So, pop the bulb out, just like that. Simple. Grab your new light. Okay, I think it's in, so we're finna test it out and see if it's in there. Alright, so let's test it out, see if it come on. Boom, y'all see, it came on. Now let's get everything screwed back in. So y'all see, it came on, and this is pretty bright. So now let's get it screwed back all in there. Basically, you can do everything in reverse that you did to get it out. Alright, man, so we got that done. But as y'all see, man, it's raining so hard out here. Oh my god. Yeah, I just did all that work and it wasn't even plugged in all the way. Like, wow. Alright, man, so here I go, man. As y'all can see, that's pretty bright. I don't know if y'all can hear me over this rain because I can barely hear myself. But, man, here I go. As y'all can see, that's pretty bright. Look at that. Take up this whole, basically this whole back area. Here you go, man, with the porch light off. Here it goes. So, yeah, that's pretty bright. I can't walk back there because I don't want to get my camera soaked. Let's see, I could probably go right here without being wet because I want my camera soaked. But yeah, man, I say W mile right here for this for show. See, we still got the spoiler on right there. Alright, though, YouTube, man, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Man, yeah.